Start your show.
Now, we just discovered.
Gotta speak loud.
We just discovered about a worm being eaten by ants in an old wasp nest. Apparently, the wasp had to move from the nest since it may have fell from up at the tree tops. And the worm must be either sick or dead. Now we must go on. See this? This is a fallen down tree.
Speak loud.
This is a fallen down tree. And apparently it looks like it's being eaten.
What is it being eaten by?
Well, it probably has been eaten by mites.
Mites?
Bugs.
Really?
It's like anything that could be eaten would. This could be a big, huge home for many animals.
True. Very true.
And that's why we shouldn't bother it. We should step on it. We should step over it. And a long time ago, I saw a spider on it. There may be some eggs in there from spiders and many more. But we may not discover this because we can destroy animals' homes. And that won't be good. Because they'd have to find another home, and that's not too much around here. Now let's move on. Just step over it, not on top.
What is this?
This is a dry desert.
A dry desert.
But I remember seeing a frog in a hole over here.
Wow. Did you dig that?
No, actually the rain did.
The what?
The rain. The rain seems to be pouring down from this little river trail and into this hole. Apparently, it looks like it hasn't been raining for days. It hasn't
Speak
gotten
loud.
any bigger.
Speak loud.
It hasn't been raining in many days, so it seems to not get bigger. Now, let's go on. This is another hole. But this one has been dug
By who?
by the family.
The family. You say it.
My family.
Your family. Am I part of the family?
Yes, of course you are. But not everyone is family.
Not everyone can be part of the family, right?
Everyone is part of the family too. Now, it seems people can make cloth by chipping. Like this.
Alright, that's segment 1.